Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is, I don't know if I'm going to put this on tips and techniques or simple stamping. This is what we're going to be doing. I want to show you how to use puff paint, and so I don't know where I want to put this. I may put this on Tips and Techniques Tuesday, okay? So let's bring this up and I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Let's see if I can. Okay, so what we're going to be using today is we're going to be using the Snowman Season Stamp Set. We are going to be using Memento Black ink and Garden Green ink, because I'm not using that, Garden Green ink. And we're going to be using the Whisper White note cards. Plus, we are going to be using the Snowfall Accents puff paint that's in the holiday catalog. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to stamp. I'm going to stamp one of the snowmen out of that Snowman Season stamp set. Ink it up with Memento, and then I'm just going to stamp that right like that. Okay, I mean this is, oh, and one other thing you're going to need. Probably the most important thing, you're going to need your heat tool. Okay, and then I am just going to put ink up the Let It Snow in Garden Green. And again, you don't have to use the same coloring I do. Now, if I wanted to, I could take out my markers and I could color in the hat and the scarf, or I could use the little scarf on here and just put it like that. But mainly I want to show you how to use the puff paint. So you take your puff paint, and the reason I stamped this first was so that the black has, let's bring this down, the black has more of a time to dry. I hope that's right. My glasses aren't doing too well. So I'm just going to shake this. And then now you want to be really careful because you don't want to squeeze it too much, or else these will be snowballs that you're going to see. And I'm just going to put where I want to show the snow. So it's underneath the snowman, a little around his insides. I'm not going to put it all on the inside or I'd be here all day drying it. Just going like that. And then I'm just putting some snowflakes, or sometimes they turn into snowballs because it just comes out too much. Now you can put them on those, but you can also just put them all around here, okay? Okay, and then put your cap back on. Even with your cap back on, it sometimes leaks out. Okay, now you're going to put your heat tool on, so I'm sorry about the sound. And let's bring this down just a little more, so maybe you can see when it starts to puff. And just like you're embossing, you need to heat the gun in the air. So keep going around because you don't want to burn the paper, the cardstock. And then when it starts to heat up, you'll notice it dries it out and puffs it up. Oh, there goes one. There they go. Can you see them? Now the more you put on, again, the longer it takes to puff up and dry. So if I put it on all of this, it would be a little bit longer to dry. And there I go. Now you can see how that puffed up. Let's see. Now you don't want to shove this right into an envelope right now, because even though it feels hard when it's still hot, that it will peel all of that off. Now it will crush in an envelope. These will crush down if they're sent through the a roller or one of the things that cancel it, the cancel machines. So you may want to fold it inside out, or you may want to put something else on it, or even if it's, you know, smashed down, it doesn't look bad. So everything, let me straighten this up. Everything you need to make this is listed down below. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and have a great day. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.